A good Monday to everyone. Today is February 22, 2021. This is Benji Chidoro. I had an exciting weekend because last Saturday I had a talk with my high school batchmates and I spoke about an introduction to the Philippine stock market. 16 kami lahat and there were a lot of interesting questions about stock investing, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and would you believe the global markets? Thank you to Rose Reyes, who did the moderation, and to Felix Antonio, Ron Ocampo, Melchor Macabalitaw, Elaine Custodio, Rose Zabalia. They contributed to the discussion last Saturday. And I was surprised with Elaine, who seems to have some understanding of the global markets. I have published the video this morning, and the link is in the description below. For those who are new to this channel, and if you are new here, I am a retired bank officer who has been investing in the stock market since 2007. And if you like the content, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have stocks in mind that you want me to review using technical analysis, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize them. Now for today, we have news on Meralco and the results of trading in the PSE. Lahat ng ito dito lamang sa Monday, February 22, 2021 edition of The Stock Market Today. Okay, so let's go to the news from the business world. Meralco ordered to refund nearly 14 billion to consumers. The Energy Regulatory Board directed the Manila Electric Company, or Meralco, on Friday to refund 13.89 billion in over recoveries based on its actual weighted average tariff charges from July 15 to November 2020. This comes around 2 months after Meralco applied for approval of its final refund scheme based on the calculation of its AWAT compared to the ERC's approved interim average IAR. In a statement on Friday, the ERC said it had released the order for Meralco to refund 13.89 billion worth of its over-recoveries, which was equivalent to an average of 15.28 per kilowatt hour in 24 months, or until the amount has been fully returned to customers. So let's take a look at the commentary of BDO Nomura on that news. And sabi niya, we believe that the ERC approved 13.9 billion refund may be substantially captured by Meralco's provisioning initiatives pending resolution of its rate rebasing process for the 5th regulatory period. Meanwhile, we remain optimistic on MER given, 1, the earnings contributions from the company's power generation segment given its recent acquisition of Global Business Power Company, and 2, the expected rebound in energy demand underpinned by easing mobility restrictions as the economy reopens. We reiterate our buy rating on MER with a target price of 370. So that was the comment of BDO Nomura on the news on Meralco. And this is essentially what BDO Nomura does is fundamental analysis. And they have a target price of 370. Again, pwede kayo maniwala dito, pwede rin hindi. Do your own research before committing or buying on the stock. Meralco naman is a good company. It is a blue chip company that has been existing for a long, long time. So now let's go to the Pse Index. Okay, the PSEI declined by 116.07 points. That's 1.68% down. There was net foreign selling of 1.36 billion. As for the market activity, 116 companies declined, 96 advanced, while 44 remained unchanged. As for the sectoral indices, the all sector index registered a 1.04% decline, while the sectoral indices, only the mining registered a gain of 4.34%. The sectoral decliners was led by the holding companies at 2.65%. Now, for the most active stocks today, we will be reviewing the following. The top 10 is PHA, Dito, Ayala Corporation, SM, ACEN, BDO, BSC, TEL, ABA, and CNVRG. If you have stocks in mind that you want me to review, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize them. So let's get on to it with PHA. Okay, PHA recovered. So you'll notice that there was a bounce in the EMA 20 sometime here, no? When it touched the EMA 20 at 2.63 or 2.53, nag-bounce yung stock, no? And now it is at a high of 3.16, and that high was last January 19. It also had a similar high of 330. So that's for PHA. Now the resistance of PHA, let's put it at 3.28 to 330 will be our resistance, while our support, let's place it at EMA 20 at 2.70. So Dito. Okay, Dito slightly is up, but in the past 5 days, it has been moving sideways, slightly up by 0.18 or 18 centavos or 1%. And I would say, let's place the nearest support at EMA 20 also at 15.64. So I think this is the highest level that of the stock. So I wouldn't place a resistance. Well, probably it's the highest point, 3.38. We will place that resistance there. So in the meantime, it's still moving sideways as in the last 4 to 5 days. So let's take a look at Ayala Corporation. Okay, Ayala Corporation, we went down. And it is at a support level. Let's see. Yes, it's in support level. Yung 760 is already support. So what made it go down? There should be a catalyst here. Baka market sentiment lang. It's bearish because the candlestick is under our indicators, no? Yung 20-day exponential moving average, the 50 and the 100-day exponential are all above the candlestick. So there is a bearish sentiment, plus our RSI is at 14 point, it's at 41, which is bearish. So if you would like to get in, no, this is a support level, a good support level, and probably siguro the next support level is here. 741. So you observe first, no? If you are into Ayala Corporation, kung pababa pa yung trend in the coming days, the next support level to watch out will be 741.6. Okay, next, SM. SM went down also. And it is an engulfing candlestick. But in general, it's just moving sideways since our indicators is piercing through the candlestick. So that's my take on SM. SM naman is a good company. Now the nearest support of SM, let's place it here at 981. The nearest support for SM. And then ACEN. Sideways pa rin siya. But in general, our candles, the indicators are still under the candlestick. That would indicate a bullish to sideways movement because our RSI is still bullish at 55. An RSI between 50 and 70 is a bullish number. So in the meantime, it's consolidating actually. So if you make a, ito kasi yung kanyang pinaka-resistance ngayon, nandiyan siya. Tapos yung EMA 20, yung pinaka-support. So, kung gagawa natin ng trend line yan, ayan siya. So halos ganyan, ano? So ang resistance niya nasa 812. Very thin ang trading dito. So if you'll trade the range, tingin ko hindi kayo aabot ng 1:2 na risk-reward ratio. No? But it's a good time to accumulate since nagpapahinga lang yung stock. Okay, next, let's take a look at video. Video, hindi rin gumagalaw to, no? O slightly down. It's slightly down at 106. Then just the same, the support level of BDO is here. At, let's place it at 100. Dito natin. So, nasa 100 yung kanyang support level. While here, yung kanyang movement ngayon is just sideways, no? Because the 20-day and the 50-day exponential moving average are just piercing through the candlestick. So if you're trading the range, wait for the price to fall to 100s or within that area, and then yung kanyang resistance is at 113 to 115. Okay, so after BDO, then BSC. Okay, BSE is still moving sideways. It's a red candlestick, but the candlestick is still above our indicators, indicating a bullish trend. So RSI also is at 57, indicating that it is bullish despite the red candlestick. So if we will draw a, let's see, a channel, parallel channel. Ganyan siya. Ganyan siya gumagalaw, ano, within that channel. And our support is 1.11, 1 peso and 11 centavos. The M20 is our support level. However, the resistance naman, pwede nating sabihin na meron tayong nakikitang resistance within this area. No? There, at 143 is the nearest resistance that I see. Now, if we will be doing the Fibonacci, okay, pwede na. Okay, the retracement levels, if we will be using the Fibonacci, is 1 peso and 39 centavos will be the support. So, malapit na rin sa 143 natin, no? Kasi the support and resistance is not actually an exact point, but an area. Yung support level naman ay yung retracement niya at 92. It's at 92, whereas the M20 is at 91. Very close na rin to our projected support. So that's for BSC. And slightly moving within this channel. It's moving upwards within this channel. Okay, then L. Okay, TEL declined. It's 2.97%. Alam mo, magandang bumili ngayon ng TEL. Kasi ang baba ng presyo niya. Oh. It has been moving downwards, but I don't know what's bringing the prices down. Probably just market sentiment, because malapit na siya sa support eh. Actually, nasa support area na siya, no? So if we will be drawing an area, yan yung support area. No? So it's this level here, 1290. Is the support area. 1290 to 1294. So actually, ano na yan eh? Support level na rin to. Itong si TEL. So I wonder what's driving it down. Kasi bearish siya. Eh? Yung RSI niya is at 38, below 40. So it's a bearish number. And yung ating mga indicators are above the candlesticks. And it has been in the red for 4 days already. So just take a look, observe, no? Because it's a good time to accumulate and buy TEL. Kasi maganda yung fundamentals ni TEL. And I have TEL in my portfolio and my target price is 1,600 pesos. So if you have extra money, pwede tayong mag-invest sa TEL. Of course, you do your due diligence first, but that's me, of course. Now, after TEL, ABA. Okay, ABA. It's also moving sideways. Now, if you will draw a box, a Darvas box, ito yung kanyang range. Range ni, in the short term, this is the range of ABA. So it has a resistance of 1 peso and 40 centavos and a support of 1 peso and 9 centavos. That is ABA, still moving sideways, but overall sideways to bullish because our RSI is at 55 while our candlesticks are still above our indicators. Okay, finally we have Converge. Okay, Converge declined today. It lost 20, just a moment. It lost 20 centavos or 1.10%, but overall it's moving sideways. Yan si Converge, ano? So if we'll do a say a fib, let's try to do a fib. Okay, so yung retracements niya, if we do a Fibonacci, is we have a retracement at 18.66. So that will form our resistance, while the support level is at 17.87. It's just very narrow. Very narrow yung support and resistance. So right now, it is, well, bullish to sideways yung kanyang movement. Well, based on our indicators, it's still bullish to sideways. Based on the 20-day and the 50-day indicator, plus our RSI is also bullish at 60. But in general, in the past 4 or 5 days, downwards to sideways yung kanyang movement. Okay, yan po ang ating report sa ating stock market today, Monday, the 22nd of February 2021. Ito po si Benji Chodoro, nagpapaalala, mag-ingat sa mga scams. If it is too good to be true, it's not true. Investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. See you again in our next episode. God bless and bye for now.